So book a private appointment at our show home to see the quality of our work. Links are in the description.
So the first thing we do when we start a new build is we sit down with the client, listen to their requirements, understand how they live, what they want from their home. In this particular case, the client wanted a modern family home, open plan living space, which is what this kitchen has. This kitchen is 1,600 square feet, open plan, natural lights, good finishes, high ceilings, house that's energy efficient, which is obviously really important at the moment with bills spiraling, but nothing too over the top. So this house in particular, it was on a great plot, but the house was very dated, old fashioned, obviously wasn't delivering. So the question the client had was, do we renovate or do we rebuild? In this particular case, obviously the advantages with rebuilding are it's a blank canvas. You can essentially build whatever you want, given the space requirements, the plot requirements. Whereas when you renovate, you're more limited, but it is more budget friendly to renovate rather than rebuild because the building requirements are a lot more stringent with rebuild. Plus, there's obviously more kind of build costs. So in this particular case, the client decided to build a new house. This is what we started with. A property that had done its time but was fundamentally limited by how it was originally built. The rooms were chopped up, the ceilings were low, and there was no real connection between inside and outside. When we looked at it properly, the numbers told the story. The cost of renovating to the standard they wanted would get close to a new build, but with compromises everywhere. We laid out all that for the client, showed them the numbers, and let them make the call. Next time, we're looking at the design and planning process, how the client's brief turned into approved drawings, and some of the key decisions along the way.